team, I'm going to do little things in terms of leadership, or maybe it leads to that title?
No, I wouldn't say that necessarily. My big goal was just to be myself, to work hard, to come in each and every day the same guy, to be consistent, and just be the best Husky I can be.
Every coaching staff emphasizes the weights and off-season training. What is different about this team's approach this off-season under new head coach Bob Diaco?
That's a great thing, in my opinion. I believe we're more focused, we're more aggressive, we're more into the weight program and stuff like that. You can see the team coming together collectively to be a much better team, so definitely awesome.
A handful of you guys are Iron Huskies. You're an Iron Husky. What does that mean?
It just means you're a very good performer in the weight room. That's probably all that means.
You're from Cincinnati, big family,
Yes.
and you ultimately see yourself, Marquise, maybe going back to the inner city and helping kids someday.
Yes, that's my big goal. I definitely want to give other kids the opportunities that I had, or show them there's more to life than just what they know. So just really teach them that and view themselves holistically. So I definitely want to help out when it's all said and done.